Hello guys and welcome to vlog episode 16. As you have heard by now, this is the first English vlog episode. I decided to change the language because some of you suggested in the comments on one of my older videos that I should do English videos, and what not better occasion as today we are flying to the US, or should I better say tomorrow, because I'm recording this on the evening before the flight because we need to leave early tomorrow. I think it's 6:45 a.m. We're going to Munich, and yeah, tomorrow we are flying to the US, to Denver, and then we're driving to Cody, which is in the, I think it's the, it's at the west end from the Yellowstone National Park, and we are visiting my aunt and the whole family. They immigrated to the US 12 years ago, and this is the first time we're gonna meet them after they departed from Germany 12 years ago. So I'm going to sleep now, and we see each other again in the morning. Let's go! Hey guys, quick update. I'm now at the Munich airport, and as we came in to the airport there was a security breach in the security area, and now they close it all up. As you can see there are many people waiting, and maybe the police finds the person who got into the security area in about an hour or so, and therefore I'm heading now to the observation deck and maybe do some plane spotting. But they also said in the announcement that they stopped all departures, but maybe we can get lucky flying once into 12 years and this shit happens. Nice.
Dear passengers, due to police action, there is no flight service at the moment. Please pay attention to any further information and follow the instructions of the airport staff. Thank you for your understanding.
Prepare for departure.
Okay guys, we are now in the air. We have about 4 hours flight left, and we flew over Greenland. I never ever have seen such beautiful landscape. And after that, our A350-900 made a race with the Polish Airlines 787-8 Dreamliner, and of course we won the race. Well, it was quite nice. We had like 1,000 feet flight level separation, and he was like next to me. And yeah, after that we get some coffee and dinner, I think, in about 2 hours, and then we land in Denver. Let's go. Finally, after our 10-hour flight, we arrived at Denver Airport. The immigration process was pretty straightforward, and after only 30 minutes from arriving at the gate, we stepped on American soil. Then we made our way north out of Colorado to our final destination for that day, Laramie, where we would stay overnight. After a short night in Laramie, we tackled the last part of our journey. A 5-hour-long car drive from Laramie to Cody, right through the Great Plains of Wyoming. So guys, finally we have arrived at Cody after 48 hours of travel madness, of travel insanity, and as you can see behind me are the Rocky Mountains and the sun setting down, a beautiful sunset right there. And tomorrow we are heading to Yellowstone National Park, visiting the glacier and the hot basins and stuff like that. And I hope you enjoyed my first English vlog, and if you really liked it, consider subscribing, and please leave a like and comment, and let's go.